Hello and welcome to your 14th C++ lesson. This one is on class member functions. Alright, so first of all, we're going to just include IOStream. We're going to use the standard namespace. I'm going to leave a little gap, and then we're going to have our main function. Pause at the end, you know, the general stuff. Return 0. Okay, now we're going to create our class, and what should we do? Let's do class takeaway, and just open the curly bracket. And remember, when you close it, remember to put a semicolon after to tell it that we've finished the class. So we have a class takeaway, and basically what we're going to do is we're just going to create a couple of functions inside it. So we're going to go void wants noodles. Actually, let's do wants chicken. I don't know why I'm changing my mind about foods when it's not really important, but oh well. So it wants chicken, and we're just gonna say chicken equals true, because we're gonna make the variable chicken in a minute. And we can make a couple more of these functions. So void wants chips equals true. Let's do another one. Void wants fish equals true. Okay, so we have our three functions, and these are called class member functions because they're functions inside of a class. And we have wants chicken, and that sets chicken to true. Wants chips to true, fish to true. So now we're going to create those variables, and actually, sorry, when we're doing these classes, we should make them public so we can access them. So let's go bool chicken, and yeah, same with chips, and the same with fish. Alright, so basically we have a couple of variables that can get switched on if they want them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our main function. We're going to say takeaway, because that's our class, and we're going to have customer1. And let's just assume that customer1 doesn't want anything until we ask him what he wants. So false, false, false. In fact, let's just make a couple of variables for this as well. So another true or false value, and let's just call it yn1, yn2. I should have copied and pasted that. It's taking ages to type. yn3. Oops. There you go. yn3. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to ask customer1 what he wants. So we're going to say cout, do you want, what's our first thing? Chicken. Do you want chicken? That's the question we're going to ask. And then we're going to go cin yn1. So we've accepted the value, whatever they're going to say. In fact, let's say, do you want chicken y/n. So now they know we need to type in either y for yes or n for no. So we've accepted their value, which should be y for yes or n for no. And now we're going to say if yn1 equals small case lowercase y, or if yn1 equals a uppercase y, then we're going to do the following. We're going to say customer1 dot wants chicken, and then because we haven't specified any parameters up here, because you can just do these like normal functions, if there were any parameters we'd type it in now, but there isn't, so it's just like that. So basically they said yes when we said do you want chicken, so we're going to assume they want chicken because that's what they said. So customer1 wants chicken. And then otherwise we don't need to set chicken to false up here because we've already set to false here as kind of a default thing. And now we're just going to do the same basically. I'll just copy and paste this whole block of code. Just scroll down. Do you want, what was the second thing? Do you want chips? So, do you want chips? y/n, cn yn2. If yn2 is yes, lowercase, or yn2 is yes, uppercase, then customer1 wants chips. And the same thing with the next one, which is fish, I believe. So do you want fish? yn3. If yn3 is yes, or capital yes, and customer1 wants fish. Now what we can do is we can go cout. In fact, let's just go. And then, because we've asked them all the questions, we know what they want. We're just going to display it now. So we're going to say if customer1 dot fish equals true, then cout customer1. In fact, let's just say fish. In fact, I got a plan here. This is going to work a lot better. So I'm just going to format that a bit, and then up here we're going to say cout customer1 wants. So it's going to say customer1 wants. We're not going to end the line. So customer1 wants if they wanted fish. I don't know why I'm starting with fish. It's a pretty crazy decision, but oh well. If they want fish, and it's going to space fish colon. Say. In fact, let's copy this. It's a lot faster. And if chips equals true, we'll add chips to the list. Well, that's not quite going to work. Oh well, let's just do spaces. Add chips to the list. We add chicken to the list. Then we add chicken to the list. And then we can just say, in fact, we don't need spaces. This could work. This could work. And I'm just going to cout a full stop for formatting reasons, and then end the line. Okay, so let's try that out. Just click debug. Okay, here it comes. Do you want chicken? Yeah, I want chicken. Oh. Okay, let's see how this is going. Customer, right, let's just why these balls? That is exactly why. It's completely my fault. It's because I've made these true or false values and I'm typing y into them. I have a clue what they're supposed to do. Let's make them chars, since they're only going to hold one letter. Alright, I don't know why I made them true or false values. That was very stupid. Okay, now it should work. There we go, right. Do you want chicken? Yeah, I want chicken. Do you want chips? Yeah, sure, I feel like some chips. Do you want fish or no? Customer1 wants chips, chicken. Okay. And let's just do some other foods just to show you it does work properly. Do you want chicken? Nah, I don't feel like chicken. Do you want chips? Yeah, I want some chips. Do you want fish? Yeah, I feel like some fish. Customer1 wants fish, chips. And that is basically how member functions work. Obviously you can make them do anything, not just kind of set simple true or false values to true or false. And of course you can use parameters as well, which is always great for functions, but this is a very simple, strange takeaway program. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned about member functions and more about classes. Have a nice day.